Let's make tender and delicious Greek beef pies. Salt and sear the beef on both sides. Set aside that in the same pot, saute onion and garlic in olive oil, deglaze with red wine, then pour in tomato passata. Add oregano, bay leaves, cinnamon, salt and pepper. Place the meat back into the pot, add some water and let it cook until the meat is tender. And at this point, you can reserve a little of that sauce to serve on top of your pie later. Prepare your individual pies by oiling a single sheet of filo, then placing another on top and oiling it again. Cut the filo in half and place one piece over the other. Place the filo in a greased ramekin, pushing it into the bottom corners. Fill the ramekin with the delicious Greek beef, then cover with another single piece of filo that's been oiled and cut into smaller pieces to create the tops. Place it over the top, then bring in the overhanging edges of filo by rolling them in to create a crunchy border. Brush a little more oil over the top and transfer to the oven to bake. Now you can't have a pie without a little mashed potato, and we're loading this one with delicious Kefalogavieta cheese and lots of cracked pepper to top our beef pies. Finish with a little sauce we reserved earlier and enjoy this comforting meal. Kalli όρεξη!